touch the example for productivity software. So as you can see, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 examples. First, we have word processing, spreadsheets, presentations, Google Workspace. So word processing. Yeah, Mr. Campo.
The software tool that allows people or students to produce, type, document, or consider.
Okay, so ang word processing now is allows people or students to produce, type documents on the computer screen. So, di ba, we are already familiar sa word processing. At lang ginagamit yun when it comes into mga kurta, especially in mga task, mga activity, ginagamit sa mga teachers, di ba? Mag-print, at ginagamit yung word. Yan, di ba? I know, familiar mo sa word processing. So, dinala ko i-word, word, okay. Next, word processing productivity applications include creating handouts or other instruction materials, lesson plans, notes, reports, forms, letters of parents or students, flyers, using letters. So, in short, hindi siya mga hard copy na ma-provide sa word processing. Kanang data, application, so lesson plans, makita sa word. So we're going reports, mga flyers, use letters from parents or next, word processing, instructions, integration strategies, tools supporting the learning of writing processes. Using a dynamic group process approach, assigning individual language, writing, reading exercises, encouraging writing through the curriculum. So, that's our processing. Next, spreadsheets are software tools designed to organize, manipulate numerical data. So, spreadsheets, maybe, we don't know where it is, but based on the screen presented, numerical data, so maybe kami siyang mga apps, which we can, input the grades, so estudyante, look is by one, Excel, how we can make grades of the students using different percentage from different area, like, represents letter, sa ano ba, diba? So maybe mo na siya ganito sa spreadsheets, no? So kapag ikaw yung spreadsheet yun. Most of the time, the data is numerical. So spreadsheets can also store addresses and contact information. Spreadsheets automatically calculate data. No? So, ang spreadsheet daw ay automatically calculate data. So, hindi daw magagawa pa kung what that's one for. Maybe, ang spreadsheet, nag-provide na siya o formula. No? Ano siya yung formula dahan. What we need to do is, mula i-mula sa mga no? And based on the formulas for the calculation of formulas or function students case are modified for them. Presentations. Regard back, no? Our software tools are designed to display the information. So, ang PPT, for example, this PPT, di ba? We designed to display information. Hindi lang, sa dalan na nagamit. Very important. No? Kung naman ito, di na ka magagawa o papel, ay, PowerPoint, just type Word report and then display it. Muna siya. Including text, image, audio, and video. Tapos ito, format. So, di ba sa positions, mga apply para pagka-engage sila lupa ng mga bakti, nana. Also, napakalagot ko tayo mga dads, mga different fonts, mga size, mga image, or audio and video. Also known as graphics presentation applications or presentations graphics program is a category of software used to create content where information is often presented in graphical visual way. So when you say visual way, nari na pag-graphic sa visual, or create content. So make it sure na align no sa mga objective na target sa student. Okay. Next, Google Workspace. It is an innovative and flexible solution that helps people and organizations create productivity, communication, and collaboration like no other. Now, my example there is Gmail,
Gmail, Google Drive, Classroom.
At the best example is during pandemic, which gamit is
G-Class,
G-Class, so
Zoom.
Siyempre, pandemic, so dito ka ginalaw ng balat ng malay, so classroom, mga output school, mga physical dito, so una mga example sa Google Workspace. It's also very helpful in national kaya ito magkagawa ng bukuan. Maybe ito magbago. Diba, pang-organize na muli siya. Very well organized na muli namin yes. Kaya sa diwa, sabi ng sir, ayun, alam ako mga profile. Gusto siya mga iba, na siya magawa. Asa activity niyo po, kung tsokolado, magmula diri. I-click kami mga link, bawas kami mga email ka. Sabay natin siya na mo. All Google Workspace plans provide a custom email for your business or educational purpose. And include collaboration tools like Gmail, Meet, Chat, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, or Boards. Ano siya? Example sa Google Workspace. Parang kayo ko? Ano ka na? Email,
Chat, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides.
okay, very good. So now, this is an article. So I think that was my part. And now, for the next slide, I think it's discussed by Mr. Chardes.